So just now I did share about the advantage of waiting for confirmation. This is one painful experience over here. Okay, let me just remove. Can I remove this? Okay, I shift this first. All right, so at this price on pound yen, I'm waiting for a confirmation for a buying opportunity. So it does give me a long shadow over here, and I wait for the market to confirm before I buy all the way up. Guess what happened? The market shoot all the way up and I missed my entry opportunity. But my risk for this trade is 100 pips if I trade from here. Of course, the profits for the first target is also 100 pips. Yeah, so I did mark up a sell zone for me to have a opportunity to short it all the way down. So at this price, I shorted the market. Market came down, went back up, came down. So what do I see? As a structure-based trader, I saw this is the high. Can you see? You just forget about this portion. Let me do this. Okay, it was like that. Another one thing I love about TradingView. Okay, so we just focus here. So when I shorted the market here, okay, market came down, went back up, and came down again. And so you see, hey, something not quite right. What is the market trying to tell me? This was also a support. Agree? And what do I see? Indecision candle. So what I did, I exit 66% of my trade. Hi Jamel. I exit 66% of my trade over here. Left the last position because I'm looking to short all the way down to this price and buy all the way up. Yeah, that's my trading plan. So when I do that, market start to move up. Bam! Hit my entry price, exited without profit, without loss on the last 33% of my position. Alright, then it broke the new high. Alright, so this is something for you to think about as well. When you have a trade plan, do you have a rules to intervene it? I intervene it because, not because I like it or I feel that, oh, that's all I'm going to earn, but I look left and I saw that there are structure of support even all the way here. So of course, it does encourage me to exit the trade. Okay, so at that moment, I exit 2/3 of my position and left the last 1/3. Can anyone of you tell me why I still keep the 1/3 even I am not optimistic of the market going down? How do you know I'm not optimistic? Because I exit most of my trade, yeah? If I'm optimistic, I should be not exiting more than half. Make sense? Why is that so? Can anyone of you tell me? Why is it like most of it and I still keep a bit of my position behind? Yes, because the analysis I had is that I'm looking to buy at this price. You see the alert is still here. Yeah, so time to delete it. Alright, so I was looking for a buying opportunity at the low price. So it will even make me more frustrated or upset if at the moment I exit my trade, the market just slide all the way down and I just miss the entire thing. So this is a lot of psychology management itself, also very important itself. You have to know what is your thought process, what is the thing that you need, you know. If the market came down, really touch this price before rally back up, are you okay with it? If the market really retrace or rather expand from this price, are you able to accept that? So it's a lot of managing your psychology. Yep. So once that is being managed, you can pretty much trade even better with more confidence because you're more comfortable. Make sense? So moving forward, right now you can say, haha, Rain, you have missed this godly pattern, you know, I have engaged it. I know some traders, they got it and their account increased like crazy because they are fixed contract size trader, and usually that particular trader risk is about 50-60 pips. So if he gained about I don't know, 90-100 pips, my guess is he make more than 1% of his entire account. No wonder he's happy, correct? So back into our analysis, what can we do from here? So whatever that is invalid or no longer valid, just remove it. Do you know why I remove this as the sell zone? Any idea? Because market has broken the resistance. Alright, this is even a clearer break. Make sense? So I remove it. It's no longer helpful. And in fact, if I want to beautify my this analysis, what can I do? This is my new buy zone, correct? Over here. This is the high, this is low, box it up, done. Alright, change it, color code it. This is my buy zone. So at this level, I'm looking for buying opportunity. Alright, so this is no longer valid, remove it. Alright, over here you can note it down. H1, buy zone. Alright, so it get me 100% focus on buying opportunity. Unless the candle break out of this box, or it never came back and retest the level. So this is the potential I'm looking at. Remember what we have learned. So if you are very into this structure-based trading, this is my buy zone. Okay, look at this number over here. That's ATR. 15 pips. So pound yen is there about 4 pips spread. 15 plus 4 plus 1 is 20 pips. So this is the lowest price, 14186. Can you see this price over here? 14186, 14187. Okay, whatever. Okay, we just draw a horizontal line. This is the low, yes. 14185, yeah. So 85 minus 2 pips is 141. 65. This is my stops. Where do my target go? Let's say the market retraces from here. Previous high. Okay, so my target go previous high. And this, let's say, is my resistance. Alright. Where do I look for a 2-1 ratio? Of course, you look for structure. This is most likely the price I'm looking at, 14227 for a buying opportunity. But let's say you are very strict 2-1 ratio traders. I can draw using a Fibonacci, mark out 33%, mark out 0, mark out 1. This is 14206 is the minimum price required for me to engage trade in order to achieve a 2-1 ratio. Of course, the disadvantage of this is that you might miss the trade because traders like me, I'm waiting for buying opportunity at this price. Okay, and this price is at 14223. It's about 17 pips higher than your entry price to have a 2-1 ratio. However, buying here doesn't mean that the market will definitely go up. But buying at this price is definitely telling me that I have a 2-1 ratio. Even I have a less than a 50% accuracy in my analysis, I am profitable. This session is proudly brought to you by the Alp Social. Alright, it's a social community site. Alright, and we are their preferred education provider. So do get your account ready. Like our page right now, we are known as Royal Pips. But in a week from now, we might rebrand it back to Forex 100, so it's easier for our followers, our fans to join us. It's easier to look for us as well. And of course, we will still be doing the live session. However, the first 15 minutes it will be live on Facebook. Then after that, it will run through Alp Social sites, as we are the preferred education provider for them. Alright, so that's all. Let us head down to 4-hour chart.